एक ऐसी सोच जो कर सकती है देश को आजाद। एक खोज जो बदल दे जीने का अंदाज। एक आत्मविश्वास जो रच दे नया इतिहास। एक सुनहरा पल जो दे खुल के जीने का एहसास। बस इसी एक सोच में तो सारा संसार है। आपकी हर सोच में हम आपके साथ हैं। ओरिएंट सीमेंट, मजबूत सोच की बुनियाद। With this very resolution, Orient Cement aims to be one of the leading players in cement manufacturing and strive towards environmental sustainability. Orient Cement belongs to the Orient Paper and Industries Limited, part of the prestigious C.K. Birla Group. The C.K. Birla Group has diversified business activities across continents in manufacturing and service sectors.
We are customer-oriented company and all our strategies are customer-centric. We undertake continuous measures to understand the changing needs of our customers. We believe in delivering the best quality products. In fact, quality is given the foremost importance in our organization.
Our fully integrated state-of-the-art production facilities adhere to best standards at all times.
We made an humble start in cement business with 0.6 million ton capacity per annum and constantly moved forward and progressed and achieved to 5 million ton capacity as on date. We have clinkerization unit at Devapur, the mother plant, and also we have the split grinding unit at Jalgaon to cater to the demands of different states, mainly for Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra and nearby states. We believe in team spirit, teamwork and mutual trust, and this is the basics and the rudiments of any success of any industry, and so also for Orient Cement. And as far as our quality and our acceptability in the market, it is number one in the market, and we hope to take it further and further. And within coming 2-3 years, we are going to add up another 3 million tons to our capacity and progressively further go ahead to make it 15 million tons by 2015-16.
The product range of Orient Cement are testimony to high compressive strength, excellent durability and economic feasibility.
At Orient Cement, we practice supply chain management principles extensively.
Stringent quality procedures are followed to produce an uncompromised product. Orient Cement's exemplary quality standards have earned the prestigious NABL certification and TPM certification.
The stringent quality control measures taken by us is reflected in the confidence shown by our customers for our brand.
With a growing demand for quality cement, Orient Cement is catering to a wide customer base across India.
Faith reposed by our customers have given us historic brands like Orient Gold, and our customer-centric approach with total commitment to quality and service is taking our flagship brand Birla A1 to greater heights with each passing day.
We have been using this Birla A1 for a long time and consuming at a very high pace. We consider that cement because of its high strength, value for money, durability, sustainability, and most of our government and private clients have very well accepted it.
कंस्ट्रक्शन में मैं रेगुलरली बिरला A1 ब्रांड लास्ट 10 ईयर से यूज़ कर रहा हूँ। इसका क्वालिटी और सर्विसेज में हम बहुत सेटिस्फाइड हैं और इसका डिलीवरी भी हमको वेरी टाइमली आता है। दूसरा मार्केटिंग के लिए भी हमको ये बिरला A1 ब्रांड का काफ़ी फ़ायदा हो रहा है।
Birla A1 is a highly reliable brand which has always been my preferred choice for its absolute strength and durability, timely delivery and excellent technical and customer support.
I can vouch that Birla A1 lives up to its quality and is very cost effective.
I am very happy to state that Birla A1 is a very good cement. Birla A1 cement guarantees very high compressive strength, durability and stability.
As engineers, we are also happy regarding the initial setting time and the final setting time. We have checked the compressive strength of the concrete by using Birla A1 cement. We are getting very good results.
To complete such projects, what's basically required is a cement. It's always been a dilemma for most of the project controllers or project people to select a particular brand of a cement, where basically technically all the parameters which are required from viewpoint of strength, then the availability to cope up the timelines of the project, all these elements are definitely present with Birla A1, the product which we are using for our site.
I am basically engineer, working with the CD53 Bureau of Indian Standards Committee, which is responsible for formulation of standard for entire India. I use many other brands. Ultimately, after a couple of years, I stabilize on Orient Cement. My product, it goes sometimes underground, above ground, seawater, sometimes in a different conditions, where Orient Cement is the only cement giving the best performance of my product.
ओरिएंटचा जो बिर्ला A1 हा जो ब्रँड आहे याने आम्हाला कन्सिस्टंट क्वालिटी दिलेली आहे. एंड रिझल्ट्समध्ये आम्हाला कधीही प्रॉब्लेम आलेला नाही. रिमार्केबल पॉईंट आहे ते त्यांच्या सर्व्हिसेस. आय विल रेट देम इन सर्व्हिसेस at top.
The key parameters while choosing a cement brand is always high strength and value for money. Birla A1 has been a clear choice because of its good brand reputation and quality.
मेरा कंस्ट्रक्शन का बिजनेस है. पिछले 15 साल से मैं ओरिएंट सीमेंट से एसोसिएटेड हूँ. बड़े बड़े ब्रिजेस हैं, हाउसिंग हमारे प्रोजेक्ट्स है, उसमें यही सीमेंट हमने यूज़ किया है.
ओरिएंट सीमेंट को हम अपना ओरिएंट परिवार समझते हैं. यहाँ पर सारा कार्य पारदर्शी है. हमें जो बताया जाता है वही दिया जाता है और समय पर एक व्यापारी को अगर उसका पैसा मिल जाए तो वो उस कार्य को करने में ज़्यादा आनंदित होता है. इसीलिए ओरिएंट सीमेंट का कार्य करने में हमें ज़्यादा आनंद आता है.
Birla A1 has been an undisputed choice for me. Consistent quality and flawless finish gives it an edge over other brands.
The trust expressed by our customers on our brands is enormous. Today, our brands not only meets but exceeds customer expectations in all respects.
ओरिएंट सीमेंट, मजबूत सोच की बुनियाद।